How to install LiveNet TV on Firestick. You want free live TV with LiveNet TV on your Firestick. Here's how to install it properly. First, go to Settings, My Fire TV and Developer Options, and enable ADB debugging if available, and then enable Install Unknown Apps for the Downloader app. Now back to the home screen, go to Find, Search, and type Downloader and install it from the Amazon store. Open Downloader and click the URL box and type livenettv.tools and then press Go. When the LiveNet TV webpage loads, scroll and choose the Download for Amazon Fire TV button, then select Download again. Once the APK finishes downloading, click Install, and after installation, choose Done and delete the APK file to save space. Now go to your apps and channels, find LiveNet TV and open it, and when prompted, allow any permissions, like for example storage, and then browse categories like Live, Sports, or VOD and start streaming. You can use a VPN for privacy and avoid streaming copyrighted content that may violate your local laws. And thanks for watching.